Hey, what's going on, guys? Just real quick before the video starts, I wanted to explain two things. And the first is that some of the clips look a bit different in the lighting than one another. It was so dark outside that I ended up having to go into my editing software and basically increase the exposure and the brightness of a bunch of the clips. So if I made it too bright, it just became grainy and looked horrible. But if it was too dark, you obviously couldn't see anything. So I tried to make a little bit of a balance between the two. Let me know which clip you think looks best. And the other thing I wanted to say was that I wanted to give a shout out to John Brinko. He's the owner of the Focus ST. This is easily my best race ever. I mean, never had a race where I was just this door to door with someone else. And so we'll definitely be getting some more runs in the next time. And yeah.
Yeah.